Hello video creators. Welcome to HitPaw channel. In this video we will show you how to convert MP4 to high-quality MP3 audio files in 3 steps. As we know, there are 2 tracks in a video file, the video track and the audio track. With HitPaw Video Converter, we can easily separate the 2 tracks and make the conversion. Before we start, we would really appreciate it if you can hit the subscribe button, it will be a great help for the channel. You can get HitPaw Video Converter from hitpaw.com. The link can be found in the description. It is a professional video converter combining convert, download and edit features together. It is available on both Windows and Mac OS system. Here we are using a Mac computer to display. After installing it on your PC, launch it. Step 1. Import the video files you want to convert. We can see the media format and the target format are listed here. Step 2. Choose the target format. You can select different formats for each file, or choose a format for all files here. In the Audio tab, choose MP3. We can either select a default setting, or click the pen icon to customize it ourselves. Then choose a path to save the target files. Step 3. Click Convert to start the conversion. Before that, don't forget to enable hardware acceleration and lossless conversion. They can make the best of the GPU and CPU to speed up the converting process by 90 times. Then click Convert to proceed. Once completed, the media files will be saved in the path we assigned and we can view the file here. Very easy to follow, right? With only 3 steps, we can easily convert MP4 to MP3. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe us, it will be a great help for the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time, bye.